Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Chevy Cruze hood. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side near the floorboard. It often has a small car icon with the hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click, and the front of your hood will pop up slightly, indicating it's unlatched. Now move to the front of your Chevy Cruze. The hood is still slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand into the gap, right above the grille near the center. You'll be feeling for a small, secondary safety latch. This mechanism prevents the hood from flying open accidentally while driving. It's usually a small lever or tab. Once you've located the secondary latch, either push it to the side or lift it upwards, depending on its design. While holding the latch, gently lift the hood all the way open. Find the prop rod, usually located along the edge of the engine bay, and insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood to keep it securely open. Always double-check that your hood is fully closed and latched before driving to prevent serious accidents. Give it a gentle push down to ensure it clicks into place. Regularly inspecting under the hood for fluid levels and general maintenance is also a great habit. And for an effortless home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.